Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Hello everyone, it's Tuesday the 26th of October. This is the weekly FX Navigator and my name is DJ, your host for today's episode. So markets are consolidating with little news expected at the start of the week. However, there is a steady stream of central bank meetings next week with the European Central Bank, the Bank of Japan, the Bank of England and the Fed lined up. The focus will be on how these central banks interpret domestic inflationary pressures and whether they shift their policy functions over the next few weeks. So here's a quick update on how the market has been positioned so far. Markets have steadily increased their long dollar bets in recent weeks on fears that the Fed's average inflation targeting framework may have a shorter shelf life than previously expected. The risk of any surprise here may be tilted towards a weaker dollar in the near term. Now, our focus for this podcast is on the pound, which has been resilient over the past few days. We've started to see some hawkish repricing in UK front-end rates ahead of next week's Bank of England meeting. That is likely in anticipation of a policy rate hike. However, UK health leaders are calling on the government to act now to mitigate the renewed rise in COVID-19 cases by implementing a mask mandate for crowded areas, reintroducing work-from-home guidelines and vaccine passports. The reintroduction of these restrictions is a risk to monitor, as UK growth is key for the pound. We will also be keeping a close eye on the release of UK's budget today. There's also renewed tensions around the Northern Ireland Protocol, where the European Commission has unveiled a series of proposals aimed at reaching a compromise with the UK, and this effectively should buy them some time. Long story short, we believe there may be a tactical opportunity to fade recent pound strength soon. My read of the sentiment these days is that people do not expect the Bank of England outcome more hawkish than current market pricing. So fading pound dollar or going long euro pound may be some ideas for your consideration after month-end flows play out later this Friday. Given how the S&P 500 index has finished the month on a strong footing, we should be expecting some selling of the dollar by UK real money investors as they rebalance their hedges. So being short on the pound may be a classic run-up trade to take over the next few days. And that is all the time we have for today. If you're a valued client of Standard Chartered, grab hold of our relationship manager to find out more about our publications. If you've enjoyed what you've heard, remember to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.